finding LCM is LCM by prime factorization method. So let's take 4, 6 and 12. So here I have taken three numbers 4, 6 and 12. We can also do by taking only two numbers, as the method is same for both for either for two numbers or for three numbers. So let's start. At first here we have to find out the prime factorization of three numbers first of all to find the LCM. So let's write down the prime factorization of all three numbers one by one. So for 4, 2 times 4, 2 1 time 2. Similarly for 6, it is also 2 3 times 6 and 3 1 time 3. Similarly for 12, we have 2 6 times 12, 2 3 times 6 and 3 1 time 3. So now one by one we will write down the prime factors of all three numbers. Like for 4 we have 2 into 2. For 6 we have 2 into 3. Similarly for 12 we have 2 into 2 into 3. Now for finding the LCM, what we have to do, first of all we will make common. We will find out common in all three numbers. Like 2 is common in all three. So let's write here 2. Similarly, we will find out the other common in all three numbers. Okay, I am talking about common in all three, like in this, this and this. But as we all can see, now nothing is common in all three numbers. So here is 2, but here is no 2, and here is 2 and 3, right? So nothing is common in all three. So now we will find out the common in two numbers only. यानी सबसे पहले हम थ्री नंबर्स में चेक करेंगे क्या हमें कॉमन मिलता है वहाँ पर. अगर थ्री में नहीं मिल पाता फिर हम टू में चेक करेंगे. ओके, और उसके बाद जो भी कुछ बचता है वी विल राइट देम आल्सो. सो लेट्स टेक, एज यू हैव सीन दैट नथिंग इज कॉमन इन ऑल थ्री नंबर्स. सो लेट्स चेक कॉमन इन टू नंबर्स ओनली. लाइक हियर वी हैव 2, 3 and 3 here. Okay, so we will take common 3 in this only and let's write here 3. Similarly 2 is common in these two, so we will take common 2 here and we will write here. And if after this also something is left alone, okay, इसके बाद भी ऐसा कोई नंबर बचता है जिसके साथ कोई भी नंबर नहीं है कॉमन, तो हम सबसे लास्ट में उसको भी नोट कर देंगे. मीन नथिंग शुड बी लेफ्ट, मीन टू से. Now let's multiply these numbers. 2 3 times 6, 6 2 times 12. So 12 is the LCM here. Similarly, we can take other number to understand. I hope you all would have understood this. Let's take another number. Say 24, 36 and 48. So for 24, 12 times, 6 times, 3 times and 3 1 time. Similarly for 36 we will do like 18 times, 9 times, then 3 times and 3 1 time. Similarly for 48 we will do so 24 times, 12 times, 6 times, 3 times and 3 1 time. So one by one you will write down the prime factors of all three numbers. So I am doing here. So for 24 we have 2 2 2 and 3. So 2. So this is done for 24. Similarly for 36 we will write here that 2 2 3 3. So 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Okay, 2 2 3 3. So I have written the same 2 2 3 3. Now at last for 48 we will write here that 4 times 2, that is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, and at last we have 3. So multiply by 3. Now we will find out LCM by taking common in all three numbers first of all. So okay, the very first step is that we have to find common in all three numbers. So as you all can see 2 is common in all three. So we will take 2 here. Done. Multiply. Next one more time we have 2 here. This is also done. After this, as you all can see 2 is given here but not here, but it is given here. Okay, that's means 2 is common, is not common in all. Similarly, let's check for 3. So 3, 3, 3. Yes. So 3 is common in all 3. So we can take 3 as common in all 3. So let's write here 3. Then after this we will check that 2, 3, 2, 2 here. So nothing is common in all 3 numbers. Mean to say कि अब ऐसा कोई भी नंबर नहीं है जो 3 इन तीनों ही नंबर में कॉमन हो. सो नाउ यू स्टार्ट टू टेक कॉमन फ्रॉम इन एनी 2. ओके, जैसे कि हम 2 में भी चेक करेंगे. जैसे कि हमें 2 यहाँ मिल रहा है और एक 2 यहाँ भी है, तो हम यहाँ से इसको हमने कॉमन लिया तो हम यहाँ लिख देंगे 2. नाउ एट लास्ट वी ऑल कैन सी दैट वी हैव 3 and 2 only which are left at last only. Okay, so as we don't have anything common now, so we will write them as it is. Okay, 3 and 2, 2. So I have written these 2 also. So let's put here circle so that we can verify that nothing is left here now. So at last we will just multiply all these numbers, okay, to get the LCM of these numbers. So let's multiply 2, 2 times 4, 4, 3 times 12. Okay, so till here we have 12. And 2, 3 times 6, 6, 2 times 12. So once again 12. So the product of these numbers is 12. These product of these 3 numbers is also 12. And let's multiply it last. Finally we get here 144. So 144 is the LCM of these 3 numbers by prime factorization method. So I think you all would have understood this method. So at last I would like to say thanks for watching it. Hello everyone. Today we will understand how to find LCM by division method. Okay, so let's take 2 or 3 numbers. So I am taking here, that's 24, 36 and 48. I am doing here by taking 3 numbers. You can also do by taking only 2 numbers. Okay, as the method is same for both the either for 2 numbers or for 3 or for 4 and so on. Okay, so let's first of all what we have to do, we have to draw one vertical line and one horizontal line, and we will write all these 3 numbers together, 24, 36 and 48, by giving some gap. Now we will start dividing these 3 numbers, okay, by taking a number, okay, by which all 3 numbers must be divisible. So let's take, to start, we will divide by 2. So by 2, 12 times, 18 times, and this is 24 times. So once again we all can see that 12, 18 and 24, so these are divisible by 2 once again. So we will do again by 2. 2 6 times 12, 2 9 times 18 and 2 12 times 24. Okay, यानी हम 2 से जब तक करते रहेंगे जब तक हमारे पास कोई भी एक ऐसा नंबर है जो 2 से डिविजिबल है. Means if we have any single number or digit which is divisible by 2, so we will continue to divide by 2. 2 से ही करते रहेंगे, right? So once again 6 and 9 both are divisible by 2, so we will continue with 2. 2 3 times 6, 9. As we all can see, 9 is not divisible by 2, so we will write 9 as it is. Okay, 9 will be written as it is. Now 2 6 times 12. So once again this 6 is divisible by 2. 3 and 9 are not divisible, so we will write them as it is. So 2 3 times 6, and these 2 digits, as these are not divisible by 2, so these will be written as it is. इनको हम वैसे का वैसे ही लिख देंगे. So now here 3 9 3, we all can see that all the numbers or digits are not divisible by 2. इनमें से कोई भी ऐसा नहीं जो 2 से divisible हो. So now we will move forward to the next prime number, that is 3. So 3 1 time, 3 3 times and 3 1 time. So once again 3 1 will be written as it is, 3 1 time and 1 as it is. So at last we must get 1, okay, below every number, like here 1 1 1. So here this method is finished. Now we will find out LCM. So for finding LCM we will just multiply these numbers here. So I am writing here 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, that means 4 times 2 and 2 times 3, 3 into 3, 2 times 3. So now let's multiply these numbers. So 2 2 times 4, 4 2 times 8, 8 2 times 16. यानी जहाँ तक आपको आता है वहाँ तक करती रहेगी 16. For these numbers we have got 16 here. Now these are 3 into 3, that is 9, and we all know very well 16 into 9 is 144. So 144 is the LCM for these three numbers. So this is a method to find out the LCM by division method. So I think you all would have understood. So at last I would like to say thanks for watching it.